tried to explain it to him, man. It was just, you know, me giving the benefit of the doubt to a person and then realizing that I was wrong for giving the benefit of the doubt to that person and trying to correct it.
And you can hear where, even though that I found out what I thought our relationship was not to be true, I was still focused on trying to make sure I was taking care of it, and I wanted to show this to.
I was taking care of my child, but now I need to confirm it because I'm not going to continue in a relationship with a woman that's sleeping with everyone that's also still married. So that to me was, I felt like I was in an episode of Punk and everyone was in on a joke after I realized that I was just being sent in circles.
This is America.
Show me that you was reaching out to spend time with the child.
Real quick, while he's testifying, can he show us where in these exhibits he's admitted that he did that?
That he did what?
Asked her.
Oh,
Time
exhibit.
when she did that. Can he show us in here?
Exhibit 23. Yes, sir.
Exhibit 23?
Yes, sir.
To explain the relationship with the child.
I'm trying to ask about your relationship with the child.
Yes, I was trying to show him.
What was your relationship?
I was his father.
Oh, okay.
I was his father.
Show me where you requested paternity initially.
What we would suggest is there's not one shred of evidence in anything that he produced showing that my client is systematically denied any time to him. As a matter of fact, had that been the case, he would have come into court over 3 years ago when this child was born. Instead, he didn't wait to come in here and ask to establish custody, and he would have had
to bringing up different claims and having to prove that they weren't true.
I want you to know about why they actually broke up is because it was in January when he placed his hands around my client's neck and they separated. There is no criminal matter on that, but we mentioned that in our pleading, so that's not something we're trying to sandbag him with here.
Culminating at the end of the hearing where the judge asked me why I didn't deny any of the false claim and why didn't I show them that they weren't true.
Changes, I think that they should be in a neutral location.
Why?
Just due to the fact that I know that what she stated wasn't true.
What evidence have you presented to me today that would indicate to me that it should be at a neutral location?
The fact that the conflict, I feel unsafe with her making up accusations.
Why?
Because she's in court stating the accusations as we speak right now.
You didn't refute the allegations.
I didn't know how to refute them.
Okay. So you want changes it?
That sealed the deal and let me know that I should have done what Yahshua did when he was questioned by Pontius Pilate. This ultimately helped me decide how I would go about making the decision I did when raising my son, which I would address in future videos, so stay tuned. FYI, in so many ways, I did deny everything that they were saying.
I want to point out she claimed domestic violence, which is not true.
Sir, now's your time to ask me what it is that you'd like me to do based upon the evidence that was presented to me, not reiterate what she said.
But everything that they were saying all still appeared in that final order. No proof was documented. When I was trying to do it, I felt like I was Craig in Next Friday and I was being judged by Pinky.
Nobody say another fucking word and this shit is over. And I ain't playing.
Man, traumatizing. Upon receiving the final order, I saw that SM2 was given control of the entire situation. Primary physical custody. I'm not sure if it was joint legal or primary legal, but it didn't matter. The child support, and she also had an order that was signed by a judge that allowed her story to be viewed as fact in the eyes of the law.